Guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can save thousands of dollars on that repair. Stay with us, we'll explain how. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Chrysler 300, Dodge Charger or Challenger, guys. Now, if you want to know what are the symptoms of bad driveshaft support bearing, you wonder why we listed all these three vehicles. They're built on the same platform, they use the same bearing, same driveshaft. Now, it's made to where you cannot just replace the bearing, but there is trick about that. We'll talk about it, make sure to stay until the end. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Let's go ahead, start on it now. So guys, the symptoms of bad driveshaft support bearing. Let's explain what we have here now, okay? You see the driveshaft comes in two pieces, okay? Front, rear, and it has a CV joint in the middle. Now, you have that bearing that holds right here, that's the bearing that spins, and this is, guys, the support that holds the driveshaft to the body of the car. Well, check this thing out. Our completely fell apart at only 69,000 miles, so they do fail quite often, guys. And when that happens, okay, you will start experiencing multiple things. One is vibrations under, kind of like the transmission shifter under the front, under the seats. Vibrations will be quite often because that drive shaft will be moving everywhere, especially under acceleration or deacceleration. Number two, you may hear noise coming from there as well because the drive shaft bearing will be spinning around the broken mount right here. So vibration and noise will be the number one thing right under the transmission shifter. Now, guys, the drive shaft, it's not made to be taken apart like most BMWs we work on, and that's terrible because you cannot replace the bearing itself. You go to the dealerships, mechanic shops, they'll try to save you a whole drive shaft assembly, which could be quite expensive. But they came with an aftermarket solution which is amazing in our opinion. Okay, you cut that bearing. We'll have a video how to do it with the grinder. You cut it, remove it, that's the mount, clean the bearing, and we're going to put that mount on top of it, guys, okay? And this mount comes in two different pieces, which makes the installation, okay, super easy, okay? And you can go ahead and do it that way. It has two bolts and put it together, which makes everything super nice and easy, guys. And when you do that, okay, you just saved yourself, guys, okay, thousands of dollars on that repair. When you close it, see what it looks like, okay? You have a mount supporting the bearing perfectly fine, and you don't need to waste a whole drive shaft just for that repair. So guys, those are practically the symptoms of Chrysler 300 Dodge Charger drive shaft support bearing, guys. And now, bad drive shaft support bearing. If you want to see how to remove the whole drive shaft, there is a few tricks about that. We'll have the video on the channel. It will take you a short amount of time without even removing the exhaust. It's possible to do that. And second, we'll have a video how to replace the drive shaft support bearing for any of you needing help with that as well. Check it out, it will be on the channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.